Apollo Kinton na iboisit arai ewodi lo idoto angor Margaret yengu ngesi abala apotu kesi isidoutu angor atomon ijaunyo ekarulo itet konye auni ka kesi ejengu ta Imukerun ajengun.
During the New Year, we had 10 deliveries, which out of the 10, 3 were cesarean section, then 7 were normal deliveries. So right now, I can't actually differentiate the sexes or the weights, the birth weights.
Keja ngunda amoninesi ebe erokosi kesi itereki na keda atyokiso adis.
The space on ward here is small for the number of mothers who are undergoing delivery or cesarean section. We have a small ward. That is the biggest challenge. Average number in 24 hours, we deliver between 10 to 15. We have cesarean section. We have one side where we have spared for mothers who have had cesarean section, whereas one side, mothers who have had a normal delivery. So in cases where we realize that there is no space for a mother who has had a cesarean section, we put the ones who have had the normal deliveries on the mat. They go down on the mat. They put mats down, they lie on the mats. We prioritize those ones who have had an operation on their beds.
Adiopet kotoma kanu atoto Florence achom ngesi eseyala mikit edeke kanu aijaud ekarulo itetet keda iko kuyeni itet.
Baby girl, le malanye de kelai koku mambo la la sema la tuni kabungo de joe amala jo kelipima dala suban bokola suban na kina ngoda de na dope al do utano da
Kanuka TV East Petwa Anyimuto Kosoroti.